Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to use SHAREit on PC in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to use SHAREit on computer, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps to use SHAREit on your PC. First of all, open your computer and connect it to the internet. Once you're on the desktop, open any web browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Now, type SHAREit for web in the search bar and search for it. From the search results, open the official SHAREit website web.ushareit.com. Now you will see this type of screen with a QR code. Scan the QR code from your mobile device to connect your mobile with the laptop. Now you can easily transfer photos, videos, apps, and files between your mobile and PC using SHAREit. In this way, you can use the SHAREit app on your computer for fast and wireless file sharing.